Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to remove age restriction on YouTube. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open YouTube application on your phone. Once you open it, you should go and click on your profile picture on the top right side. Then I want you now to go to settings. Once you go to settings, you should click on general, and here you'll have this option restricted mode. Just toggle this off and you're all done. But if you cannot actually find it, you should go back again, click on your profile icon, then click on manage your Google account. Then it will open your Google account just like so. Click on your profile picture on the top right side, then choose the default one. So I'm going to choose the default one right here. And now you should go and click on personal info. Then you should scroll down till you get here to birthday, and you should change it to a thing that actually makes you over 18 years old so that no content will be hidden from you. So go and change it like so, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.